Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I started editing this video and then I noticed that I didn't do a proper intro, so I'm doing it now. So welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. I make new videos every Monday and I usually do sewing classes that I call Make What You See in the Shops, and we make from pattern to the end result things that we see in the shops or online that you like and that you want to recreate. And I also do hauls, as you saw in the title. This one will be a haul for now. And if you like this sort of video, please subscribe. And now let's go on to our cashmere haul. So I wanted to do a haul this fall, and normally I don't buy new clothing when it's new season or whatever. I certainly don't buy new clothing at all. A lot. I just sometimes find something and sometimes I'm looking for something, but usually I make them myself and I have enough, so I never need anything. So, but I told you last fall, that I found a shop in the Netherlands where they sell cashmere jumpers for really cheap, because normally cashmere jumpers are always more than $100. Euros is about to say. I have some cashmere on my lip, I think. And I found them in a shop called CNA. I asked if they ship worldwide, but the woman in the shop didn't know. So I'm not sure if you can buy there too, but I will link them down below so you can see if you can order by them, or maybe there are similar shops in the US or in whatever country you live that is connected to them and you can find them there. But that's why I watched online to see if they had again nice cashmere jumpers, because I was very happy with the two I bought last year. And they had, they pimped up the price a bit, so I was a bit annoyed that it wasn't that cheap anymore, but it was insanely cheap, and now they're still not so expensive. So I thought, well, okay, I'll see what they are and if it's worth the while. So I thought this one, it's a really nice one because it's a wide one, but the sleeves are fitted, so it's nice and comfortable. You can wear anything underneath it because it's so wide, and the sleeves make that they're still not too bulky looking. And it's 100% cashmere, so it's really good quality. It also feels like that. It feels very nice. It has a high neck. Normally I just let it hang loose like this. I don't like to roll it up or whatever. Just casually hanging, I think looks most nicely. And it's a very nice sweater, and what I like of cashmere, it is warm but not thick. I don't like those bulky jumpers that you're really sitting like this and I got all sweaty. But cashmere is really thin and still warm, and that's the nice thing of cashmere. This one was 69 euros, so not cheap but also not that expensive as most shops ask for a cashmere jumper. And I paired it now with my skirt that I made last year, and I'll make one this year too, so I can show you how to do it, because I make this out of sweater material. So that means that the inside is rough as a sweater has, and the outside is sweater fabric, and it's very comfortable to wear. I made it calf length, and that makes it very versatile for fall and for winter. So I will make one coming soon so that you can recreate one like this. So, and this one is also from C&A. This one was a little bit more expensive. It was 99 euros, so not cheap anymore. But I liked it so much with the cable pattern and the loose neck caul, and it's cashmere, so it feels so nice. So I thought, well, okay, these are the last two jumpers that I buy now for the next years, because now I really have enough. And I think this is a really nice one. It's soft grey and it matches with everything, so it's a very good buy, I think, when you buy things like this. And then also at CNA I found this joggers, and it's a really nice one. It's really nice and soft. The legs are not too wide, that's always my problem, and I really needed the new joggers because I use them as pajamas, and the other ones were really, the butts were really thin and see-through, so I couldn't wear them normally anymore. So I found these joggers for 9 euros, and they're really nice and soft. They are the same material as the skirt that I just had on, so it's very comfortable material. And this was really a need for me. Need, of course, because we don't need anything, because we have a lot of everything, but I wanted one. And oops, and I almost forgot the most important one, this coat. I also found it at CNA, and it is a really nice long coat. It is not wool, it's polyester, but I only paid 49 euros for this, and really that is really no money for such a beautiful coat. It's really nicely made, it's really heavy, it's a really good quality polyester. I understood that it's recycled polyester, or what is it called? I don't know, sustainable polyester, I don't know what it's called, but it's environmental friendly, and it's not wool, but it's really nicely made and really nice quality, and it fits me very well. I'm always doubting when I buy coats what size to have, because I want to wear chunky sweaters underneath it, and this is a size 36, and I even have room left, so I just could take the smaller size this time. Only the sleeves are too long, but I always have the problem. I always have to adjust the sleeves because I have short arms, so that's not a problem. And I think it's really a really good quality coat to buy for 49 euros. So C&A is really doing well. It used to be a very old-fashioned shop with clothes for older women that are not fashionable or whatever. And a few years I saw that they really pumped up their game, and they have really nice clothing, but not also nicely looking, so not the trendy things, but also the good quality things. And I think that is now very important, that you don't buy fast fashion, but really the good quality things that you can also wear for years and have for years without them coming weared out and you have to go do them away. And also this coat I didn't need because I have enough coats. You saw that in my coat collection video last year, but I couldn't leave this one. It's such a nice coat, and it feels very nice and warm. I can wear my knit underneath it, and well, goodbye. And I almost forgot to put it in this haul. So I saw it on my closet and thought, oh, my coat. So very happy with this one. And yes, I had to order also the cashmere skirt, because when I saw that they had it also, I just couldn't resist, because I cannot make this myself, and the things that I cannot make myself, I really have to decide whether I want to buy it or not. And I think this is such a lovely piece that I really wanted to order it, and it turned out very, very nice. As you can see, it's really nicely made. This is a size small. It's a bit wide, but I don't really care, because then I can tuck in also bigger jumpers, and then it's not too tight here on the belly. And it's a very, very nice quality. It's a very nice cut. As you can see, it flares out a little bit, but not too much. It has those nice pleats when you wear it, and it's for me the exact right length, although I'm very short, but I like my skirts rather long, so I think it's a really, really beautiful piece. And I don't have the price in my head, but I think it was 89 euros, so not really cheap, but for such a nice skirt, really, really not that expensive. So if you like something like this, if you're searching for this, certainly look if you can buy from C&A, because this skirt, you cannot even possibly find it for this price. And also the dresses and the trousers they have now, they are really, really beautiful. So I already bought now my jumpers and this skirt, so now I'll stop with buying. But if you haven't already, just watch their site and see what they have, because the quality is great, the price is great, and you really will be very happy if you have these pieces in your wardrobe, because you can wear them for years and years, and they will always be nice, always be in style, and you will always be classy by just putting on a skirt, putting on a jumper, and you are so nice dressed like this. So I had to buy this skirt, and this is the last piece of this haul. I ordered 4 dresses from another company, but they were all too wide for me, really too wide, and of course I'm spoiled because I make everything myself and then it's fitted nicely. But they were really too big, and I didn't like to show it in a video because I like that shop very much and I didn't want to make a negative video about them. So that's why I didn't have a big haul, and I didn't know if I wanted to make this video, but I wanted to show you my new jumpers because they're really nice, and I think it's good to search for inexpensive, good quality things, and the C&A really does it with these cashmere jumpers. It's very nice quality, it's very good, it holds very good, because the other ones I washed very much already and they stand just very nicely, so it's really nice. So don't buy just things to buy, just only buy good quality that you can keep for longer. And you know, I have my clothing already that I wore 30 years ago, because when you buy good quality, you can keep it for years and years. And when you buy just classic pieces, they don't get out of style and you can just wear them every year again. So I hope you liked this video, little haul, and I'll see you again next week with a sewing tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like my videos. Please like them, and I'll see you next week. Bye.